I am doing Basquiat. A lot of ideas going through my mind right now.
Before I came to this camp, I was like, you know what, fashion, let's give it a try. Like, I'm not sure if I want to like pursue that, but now like I definitely know I want to be a designer.
Some of the highlights that I enjoyed at this program was mainly writing articles and doing podcasts with really cool people.
And I went into this experience not expecting it to be so hands-on, personal, immersive. The people I've met through this, professors and students alike, have been so comforting, so welcoming, kind, respectful, really creating a true community in such a short amount of time.
So far, this week has been a really great, eye-opening learning experience. I've gotten a lot of valuable information from professors like Stephanie Powers, Michael Williams, the broadcast journalist, that pink science teacher. She's an influencer, which that was a really cool day to learn all about social media.
But it was way better than I thought it was going to be. The campus is beautiful. The experience I had with the motion capture, learning about comics, learning about Unreal Engine, it is probably the best week that I'm probably going to have all summer.